All right, guys, here we go. We're doing today lesson 9. All right, now first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you're either at normal or no spacing. All right, because a lot of you will type it out and you'll want to go back. But the good thing is that you're getting used to using these two things. All right, and for now, we're going to just leave it on normal. Okay, another thing, guys, is that if you go to view and ruler, if you don't see a ruler there, you go to view and ruler and you'll be able to see the ruler. And some of you yesterday were saying that when you would press tab, it would go over. So some of you might still have this stop tab in there. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that if you do. All right, to do that, we're going to go to the home tab and we're going to click on the paragraph thing right there. And we're going to go to tabs. Okay, and here we're going to clear all. All right, and then we're going to hit OK. And you'll see that it disappeared. All right, so the first thing we're going to do for this assignment is double click in the header and you're going to write your first and last name and tab over. All right, and I still have the tab up there. Let me clear that out. Hold on. We're going to go to home, paragraph, tabs. We want to clear all and hit OK, and now it's gone. So it's separate for the header and for the body of the document. Okay, so you have to do it for both. Just make sure that you keep an eye on that. And today's date, January 14th. Just hit enter. If that pops up right here, you can just hit enter and your date will show up. All right. The first thing you're going to do after you get out of the header is you're going to hit enter 5 times. Oops. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Once you hit enter 5 times, you're going to change the font size to from 11 to 14. All right, and you are going to type spin with David, exclamation point. All right, and we're going to go ahead and highlight that, and this is what we're going to change to 14. Okay, good, it's changed to 14. And now we are going to press enter, and we're going to type the following paragraph. Okay, was that fast or what? All right, so once you type the paragraph, you're going to hit enter 4 times. All right, and you're going to change the font size now to 18, and you're going to type the following. Okay, perfect. So now that you've got that, the next thing we're going to go do is go to Insert, and we're going to click on Shape, the Shapes button, which is right here. All right, and we are going to click on the Explosion 1 shape, which is the first shape on the left. All right, Explosion 1. This one right here under Stars and Banners, Explosion 1. We're going to click on that, and we're going to go ahead and drag your mouse. Okay, we're dragging the mouse to right here on the, actually, yeah, right here. I wanted it on the left, but that's okay. Maybe I can move it. Yes, I can. Perfect. So I like it right about right there, a little smaller. So you're going to do that with yours. Okay. All right, once we got that, we can just go ahead and set it. Now we're going to highlight Spin with David, and we're going to change that to a 48 size. All right, I know I said 14 earlier, but it's actually 48. All right, we're going to click on that. We're going to center it, and we're going to choose the, we are going to choose the heading 1 right here. All right, actually, I think we have to do that first and then go to font size 48. All right, let's see if that sticks and center it. All right, so perfect. Spin with David. It's all looking good so far. We've got that. We've got that. We've still got a space here and space here on the bottom. So we're going to continue fixing this up. Okay, so in this middle space, what we're going to do is go to Insert, and we're going to insert a text box, all right? If you click the arrow here, you'll get multiple choices. We're just going to choose this first one, or you could just click it, right? Okay, right there. So once you have that, we're going to move this down to between the paragraphs, and we're going to shape it so that it will show all the text, but also fit perfectly right between these two paragraphs. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and highlight that and press backspace, and we're going to write, we're actually going to change our font size to, let me see here on the book, to 24. All right, so go to Home, 24, and we are going to write class size is limited, so sign up now. All right, let's go ahead and widen this out so it all fits. All right, now if you move your mouse till you get this little cross sign, you can drag it, and yep, you should get a line that will tell you when it's exactly in the middle. The only thing is this isn't centered, so let's center that. All right, let's check it again. Right there is a center point, and of course we want it centered here and here. That looks about right there. All right, we can click off of that, so that's good right there. All right, now we're going to put a picture at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter a couple times, all right, just to kind of get down there. I don't think we might even need to, but we're going to go to insert, and I want to show you guys something here. It's called online pictures. Hopefully this isn't blocked. If it is, you can go to the internet, use Google to search for a document, save it onto your computer, or copy and paste it down here. But we're going to go ahead and put here personal trainer. All right, and we're going to look for a good picture of what David would look like, or just a cool picture in general. Let me see, we could have also searched for spinning class. I guess that would have been a good one. Let's do that. Let's see. Maybe I should have put spinning, just spinning. Let's see here. There he is. That one looks good. We're going to insert that. And you'll see that it's pretty big, first of all. And we're going to use the old trick that we did before. We're going to right click on it, wrap text, and go behind text. Or you can put in front. That should work too. All right, and we're going to just bring this down here, put it right there. And this photo, we're giving the author credit if you want to do that. Okay, and one thing we don't want to do when we're putting pictures in is do this and make the person look skinny or wide. Okay, we want to keep the original integrity of the photo. Okay, so we're going to do that. Spin with David. We'll put that down there. Okay, and we are done. All right, hopefully you can find a better picture than that. Feel free to play with the text, with the font here, and as well as this. It can kind of be wherever you think, or you can maybe add two or play with that. All right, and that's it, guys.